friends, I am your friend Divit and I am back with one new craft, which is how to make your PlayStation at home. See, this is my PlayStation. You can see it. I have made this from cardboard. So what do you need for making this is one cardboard box, shoe box, so you can take one more box for PlayStation and one more box for your set box. So now let's start. First you need to take this box and these sides you have to paste them from here from tape, or you can take glue also. Then you can see I have painted it from here and I have added my game's name. You can also add your game's name. My game's name is Call of Duty, so I added it here, and see here I have written Call of Duty and Sony PS4. You can write anything and you can make of anything PS4. You have colored it. Now it's turn for second shoebox. In the second shoebox you need to paint it and write, I have written CDRs, meant by to store things. In this I can store things for my PlayStation. Now you have to add some games in it, and then you need to close. Then you need to add this box above it and close it. By this it will be closed. Now how to make your remote control? First you need to cut a cardboard in this shape, and then you need to make the buttons for up, down, right and left. And you have to make these 4 buttons also: red, green, yellow and blue. See, I have made these 2 buttons also for start and select for this. Now I am going to tell you how you can make this PlayStation box and its charger. So first you need to take a box and make it like this, and you have to write Sony PS4 plus PS3. You can make PS3 also, because I have also made, and today I am going to just tell you about my PS4. Now you have to write here select a game. I have made 10 games. And now you should take this box and do the pasting and all and write this. And then you can make these buttons. And this is the chip inserter. Here they are buttons of off PS4 or PS3, off this or on it. Now for on PS4 and PS3, these are the buttons, and to connect to PS4 or PS3 you can press this button, and to access the chip you can press this chip connect. And our box cannot work without battery. No, not the real battery. The battery used in every PlayStation. So I have made one more button named charge. And now let me show you my charger. This is my charger. And I have made it from ice cream sticks. And I have added one small circle or cylinder, you can say it, cylinder by the tape, and fixed it here, and add some tape here also to connect the charger from my set-top box. Okay, now in this PlayStation you can play as many games as you can in just one thing. And now let me tell you how to make this chip. First you need to cut out a cardboard in this much of size. And then you need to write your game's name and make some code here. See, I have written basketball stars and made one code of 5 rectangles and colored it red. So, and this box should be sliding like this. So you can take out the cards from it. I have kept the cards inside it, as you can see. And you have to decorate it from inside also if you want. If you don't want, so don't do it. So now let me tell you how to engage a game and play it. First, you need to see the card and you need to write here PS4 because it can only be played in PS4. Then you should press this on button to on our PS4 machine. So I have pressed it. Now it is on. Now you need to press on PS4. See, this here is written PS4. So I am pressing this to on it. Now you need to press connect to connect from this PS4. So now if it's connected, now it is connected. Now you need to add the chip from the code side. Let me show you. Like this and this. Insert it like this and it can be seen like this. And now you need to press the chip connect and insert the chip inside it. Now the chip will go inside it and you can play that game in this. And you have to do setup also for this to play the game. And now in next video I will tell you how I made the games and which games are in this PlayStation. I will tell you in the next video. So till then, bye bye. Bye.